Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see React.js library which is React Tilt, and let's see how exactly we can use React Tilt in our React.js application. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing so you won't miss any future content. Now let's start the video. Yes. So on my screen, you can see this is the React Tilt library, and you can see this is the animation we can do on a card. Okay. So this is the this implementation we can do using the React Tilt library, and let's see how we can initialize it first. Okay. So first thing we have to install it. So let me copy this. Let's go back to the project here, and let me open a new terminal first. Okay, and then I'll just paste it. So npm I react tilt, it is installing. Let's go back and let's see what is the code we have to use it. Okay, you can see usage. We have to import tilt from the react tilt, and then here you can see we have to just wrap the tilt component to our card. Okay, whatever card we want to show it. Okay, and styles and all we don't want to do, but default option, you can see there are few options. Okay, so you can see in the default option we have reverse. It means like reverse the tilt direction. It's true or false. Then max, how much degrees we want to max turn or tilt it. Okay. And then perspective, we have transformation and scale. We can say speed also, transition also is there. Axis also there. We want to, if we do only particular axis, we can do. If we say null, it will happen all the directions. And reset, we have true, and easing, like this is one of the, what do we say, transition effect, we can say that we can use it. Okay, so yeah, now you can see this is installed, and let me show here one thing in the src components lib. Here you can see I have created one component react tilt, and here we can see a basic login form. Okay, let me import this in app.js and show you. On this login form we are going to use our tilt library. Okay, react tilt library. So let's go back here, and you can see this is how it's coming. This above one I'll just comment on, so it will not be shown there. See this one. So now what I want to do is whenever I hover on this, it should do this animation, this kind of animation. Okay, so you can create your own login form and try to use this tilt or any other things. Okay, so the first thing I'll just check div. We have this form style display flex action column. Instead of this, I'll have justify content center, because I want that to be center. That's why I'm doing this. Align items, I'll say center and comma will be C caps, and here let's say height, I'll say 100 VH, and this we don't need it. Okay, no, it's breaking everything. Let me just revert back everything. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, so now let's go back. That is installed, so let me just copy this particular thing, import this particular thing here. So it is imported. Then we have to use default options. I'll just copy the whole thing and put it below the component. Okay, because above the component the our what do we say, imports will come. That's why I don't keep it. And now I can use this tilt here. Okay, so here you can see this div is there. I'll going to wrap this whole div with tilt. Okay, and paste it, and we have to give here is options, default options, no, options equal to default options. Okay, let's save it. Let's go back. Let me save it. Okay, now if I just go here, you can see it started tilting. You can see this is how it is happening on this component, and we can adjust few values. Okay, suppose I don't want 30 degrees, I only want 10 degrees. So now you see, let me refresh again. Now you see it's like just hovering over this and not having much. Okay, and scale also you can decrease to 1. It will be normal size. Let me just refresh again. It's not happening with the 10 degrees. Let's say 30 only. Okay, and you can see now it's happening properly. Okay, so this is the tilt effect you can add to your login form or any other product cards or cards with the help of React tilt library. Okay. Yes. So this is about the React tilt library, like how exactly we can use and how we can make our card animated using the React tilt library. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and give it a like. I'll be back with more content in the next video. Thank you.